This is Nadula Hair's BYEBYE Knots Glueless Wig. It has a 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure that you can wear in a middle, a side parting. You could do an off-center parting. You can do a lot of different styles with this wig, y'all. Also, this wig is 24 inches long. I'm gonna show you exactly how I installed this wig today and styled her. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, you don't know what to do, definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from Nadula Hair. I believe this is a water wave wig. Here is their packaging. Let's go ahead and take the wig out of its packaging. So yes, this is a water wave texture. As I thought, this is 24 inches long. This is one of their wear and go glueless wigs. And here is a close-up of the lace. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with pre-cut lace. It has bleached knots. As far as the inside of the cap, here is the lace underneath. This is a 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure, y'all. It has adjustable straps inside of the wig, and it also has this silicone grip around the entire inside of the wig cap, so it fits nice and secure to your head. And there is one big wig comb in the back. There's no wig combs up top, but y'all already know I only ever use the one in the back anyways, so this is perfect for me. Now there is a spot for you to add an adjustable strap elastic band, and they did include an adjustable strap for you guys to install inside the wig. So I will be adding this to the wig right now. So I went ahead and added my liquid foundation underneath the lace. That's what I always do to tint my lace so that it matches my skin tone when I install the wig. So let's go ahead and throw that baby on our head and see what we are working with. Okay, so we've got that baby on now. The curls look nice and fluffy, but I definitely want to define the curls on this wig, y'all. As you can see, this is a completely glueless install, and the wig is nice and secure. It's not going nowhere, okay? So you can definitely style this wig in a middle or a side parting. I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten up this middle parting. The waves are really pretty straight out of the box, but I want to define these curls a little bit more, so I'm gonna wet the hair down, y'all. This has water and kinky curly not today inside, and I'm gonna use this just to lightly dampen the hair, y'all, so we can define the waves on this wig. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of curl mousse, and I'm gonna use this to further define these waves. And I love the way this stuff smells, y'all. You do not need any hair perfume when you use that mousse. It is so good. And make sure you scrunch up the hair on the bottom as you're adding the mousse in. Next, I'm gonna take my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment on it, and we're gonna go ahead and diffuse these waves, y'all. So it's gonna make the hair look bigger and more defined. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera, and I'll be right back. So here is the wig with a middle parting, y'all. I just finished defining the curls on this side as well. I think that the curls look even better now. And of course, as the day goes on, you can definitely comb out this hair and get it nice and big. But I love this defined, like wet and wavy type of look. I feel like this is perfect for spring and for vacation and everything. thing. I decided to go ahead and change my shirt. Y'all know I love wearing black, but I feel like you couldn't see the wig as much. So I really wanted y'all to see the curl pattern and the wave pattern on this wig. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wide tooth comb just to pick the hair a bit so we can get her a little bigger than she is now. I don't want to really pick out the bottom too much. There we go. Super pretty, y'all. Look at this wig now. So now I want to do a side parting on the wig. You can part it on whichever side. I want to do mine on the left side, and I'm going to do a deep like C parting because I think that's gonna look really pretty for this wig. So I'm gonna have to use my hot comb this time since we're gonna be resetting the parting. I'm gonna take a little bit of my wax stick. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit on this side as well. And the back. Next, I'm gonna take my spritz spray. And we're gonna use a hot comb this time so we can redefine the parting on this wig because it was already set in a middle parting, but you could just as easily rock it in a side parting, an off-center parting, pretty much wherever on the closure you wanna part it, you can, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wig forward a bit. Next, I'm gonna take my mousse and we're just gonna use that on the top of the wig to lay it flat, y'all, okay? So next I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer and I'm gonna use the MAC 212 brush and we're going to define this parting a bit more. Then I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb again and we're just going to comb this hair out yet again, particularly on this side, since we pulled some hair from this side. And there you go, y'all. We have a side parting as well. Still completely glueless. You can pull this wig on and off as you see fit, and it's not going anywhere, okay? So this wig install turned out super cute, right, y'all? I will have all the discount codes in the description box down below for you guys. Nadula.